Girls, rational expression, last video I taught girls. The rational expressions of the polynomial divided into two. One is multiplication of polynomial, another one is division. The both we are going to see in this exercise. Okay, multiplication and the division the same. Multiplication means the numerator and the denominator you have to already we said we have to simplify the lowest term or reduce the numerator and the denominator. So the rational expression, one is considered as multiplication of the rational expression, another one is division of the rational expression. See the exercise, girls, exercise 3.5. Simplify. The question is, wait girls, simplify the first one. First one is 4x squared y divided by 2z squared into 6x z cube divided by 20y power 4. This is given as multiplication of the rational expression. Now we have to divide whatever here the same number. First you have to see the numericals values. 1 to s to 2 2s are. Okay girls, 1 to s to 10 2s are. Next we have to divide with the 2 table. 3 2s are, here what 5 2s are. Then afterwards see the variables. Y z squared, here what z cube. The same basis same means the power should be subtracted in the what division. Yes, here 2 you have to cancel with here 1. Z power 3 minus 2 to consider. Okay girls, here what y you have to cancel with 3. 1 y should be reduced. Okay, the remaining is, what are the remaining in the numerator? X squared is there, then x squared, then here also one x is there, 3 into or x divided by the denominator is 5y power 3. Now you have to simplify 3x power 3 divided by 5y cube. See girls, here z squared z cube, square z cancel, the remaining one z there. So 3x cube is divided by 5y cube. The remaining you have to reduce, write it in the answer. Okay girls, see the second sum. See the second sum, p squared minus 10p plus 21 divided by p minus 7. P squared minus 10p plus 21 divided by p minus 7 into p squared plus p minus 12 divided by p minus 3 the whole square. See girls, with the numerator, see the numerator, this is in the quadratic expression, here also quadratic polynomial, we have to find the factorizations. What is the factorizations? Here the numerator, see, if you multiply you will get 21, if you add you will get what? Minus 10. But now what is the factors? Yes, 7 3s are 21, if you add minus 7, minus 3, if you add minus 10 you will get. See put the variables. What is the variable here? Yes, p squared, p cancel. So the factor is p minus 7 and p minus 3. Then another numerator, see the numerator. What is that? Yes, if you multiply you will get minus 12. Then if you add you will get 1. Here the p before 1 is there girls. So the factors are 4 3s are 12 girls plus 1. So the biggest is plus and the smallest is minus. Now you have to put the variable p squared, p divided by p squared. Okay girls. Now the factor is p plus 4 one factor, another one factor is p minus 3. Now you should apply in this numerators. Now you are simplified now girls. What is the simplification? Here the factor is p minus 7 and p minus 3 divided by p minus 7. Okay. Then into multiplication. This is also you simplified. What is the factors? P plus 4 and p minus 3 divided by p minus 3 the whole square they given. Now you have to cancel 1 p minus 3, here also 1 p minus 3, then p minus 7 cancel, here 1 p minus 3 is there, here 1. So totally p minus 7 cancel, p minus 3 cancel. The remaining is p plus 4. The factor is p plus 4. So the simplification, this is the answer for the second sum girls. ஒரு பொண்ணு வந்து ஹோம்ஒர்க் கொடுக்குறோம் இல்லை செஞ்சேன் நான் அவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்கேன். See the second sum simplify here also. X plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y girls. Here 9x squared minus 16y squared. If you used what is the identity we have to use girls here a squared minus b squared identity. Here see 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. Here the quadratic equation you have to factorize. Okay. Now let us see one by one. Here the numerator is I am going to split 9x squared minus 16y squared and converting on identity. What is the identity girls? Yes, 3x the whole squared minus 4y the whole squared. That is the identity is a squared minus b squared. A is considered as 3x, here b is considered as 4y. Okay, 3x plus 4y, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Okay girls, have you all understood girls? 9x squared minus 16y squared. Square form nale you have to convert as a a squared minus b squared form. Next the denominator is what 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. Now you should multiply minus 40 girls. Before 2 is there. So the 2 should be multiplied with minus 20. So minus 40. If you multiply you will get minus 40. Then the same number if you add you will get about 3. So what is the factors? Yes, 8 5s are 40. But 8 minus 5 3. Where want to put minus girls? Yes, the biggest sign where here plus. So biggest plus, the smallest should be minus. You have to put the variables. What is the variable here? 2x squared x. Then here x 2x squared. Now you have to divide. Okay, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are. Now the factor is x plus 4 one factor. Then another one factor is 2x minus 5. Now you have to apply what are the things we found. Now x plus 4 in the numerator, here 3x plus 4y in the denominator. Then the next rational expressions you changed. What is 9x squared minus 16y squared? Yes, 3x plus 4y and what? 3x minus 4y. Then the denominator also you factorized. What is the factorized? Yes, x plus 4 and 2x minus 5. Now the x plus 4 cancel. Then 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 5, 4y cancel. The remaining is, the numerator is 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. Okay girls, have you all understood? See the second sum, just I am going to see x cube minus y cube. What identity we are going to use girls? Yes, a cube minus b cube. Here the denominator we have to take 3 is outside. Here one identity, what a squared minus 2 plus 2ab plus b squared. Here a squared minus b squared. Some identities we have to use here into some girls. First a cube x minus y into what? X squared plus xy plus y squared. This is the identity of a cube minus b cube. Here x cube minus y cube. The new denominator is 3 should be taken out. Now x squared plus 2xy plus 3 if you take out means, sorry, here 3xy. 3 if you take 3 out means each term should be divided by 3 girls. Yes, x squared. Here if you divided by 3 means 3xy. Here if you divided by 3 means 2y squared. Okay. Here the quadratic equation comes. Next you have to factorize. Okay girls. Here one identity a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What is the identity? X plus y the whole square. The denominator is x plus y into x minus y. What is the identity here? A squared minus b squared I am here using. Okay girls. Now here we want to factorize. If you multiply you will get 2. If you add you will get 3. What is the factors? Yes, 2, 1 is 2 girls. If you add 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Okay, now if the variables x and y both variable you have to put. Now before that what the x squared is there. So you want to divide with the x squared. 1x cancel, 1x cancel. The factor is x plus 2y one factor. Another one factor is x plus y one factor. Now you should apply girls. X minus y, the numerator xy plus y squared. Next here 3 into. Now only we found what are the factors? X plus 2y one factor and another x plus y another one factor. Next here what? X plus y the whole square in the numerator divided by what here? X plus y and x minus y. Now you have to simplify the numerator and the denominators. Here 1x plus y, here 1x plus y, here 2x plus y. X plus y the whole square cancel. Then x minus y cancel, here also x minus y cancel. The remaining is what? X squared plus xy plus y squared divided by 3 times of x plus 2y is the remaining. Okay girls, this is the answer for the second sum. Expression, rational expression, multiplication we saw in the last video. Now we are going to see the division. Okay, the division, how can you do? The same like only girls. The numerator and the denominator we want to factorize first. First we have to take the numerators. What are the numerators here? 2a squared plus 5a plus 3. First of all, I find out all the factorize first. Okay, here 2 3s are how much? 6. If you multiply, you will get 6. The same number if you add, you will get 5. What are the factors? Yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2, 5. Now you have to put the variable. What is the variable? A here. Then divided by 2a squared. Okay girls? This already you studied all the videos. Okay, now you have to divide with the 2 table. The remaining is, what is the remaining here? 2a plus 3. Then here 1a is there, here nothing. So you have to replace it 1. Okay girls, the factor is 2a plus 3, one factor. The another factor is a plus 1. Everything here divided girls, so that you have to put 1. Okay, don't forget. Okay, next you have to take what is the numerator there? A squared plus 6a plus 5. The same line. If you multiply, you will get 5 girls. The same number you will get 6. What is the numbers girls? Yes, 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Now the variable is a. So you have to put a divided by what is that one? A squared. Divided by a squared, you have to get the factor is a plus 5, then a plus 1. Okay. A plus 5 and a plus 1. Next, see the denominators. The same like we want to find out. Here 2a squared plus 7a plus 6. Then another one is here what? Minus 5a squared minus 35a minus 50. Now before that 2 is there, so you should multiply. 12 you will get. If you multiply, you will get 12. The same number you will get add 7. What are the factors? Yes, 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 what? 7. Now you have to put the variable a here divided by which one? A squared, 2a squared. Now you have to divide with the 2 table here. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Now the factor is a plus 2 is the first one. The second one is 2a plus 3. 2 factors. Okay. The same like here girls. Here I am going to take minus 5 out. Each term I am going to divide with minus 5. So here a squared. Here how many 5s are? Yes, 7. Here minus taken means so that I will put plus 7a. Here minus taken, so plus 10. Okay girls. Now this is the quadratic equation. Again you have to factorize 10. 7 is there. What are the factors? Yes, 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 you will get 7. Now you have to put the variables. A squared. Now you have to divide girls. Now the factors are minus 5 is already is outside. So the factor is a plus 5 one factor. The another one factor is a plus 2. Now you have to apply in the sum. How many, what are all you have to find out? You have to apply. In the numerator and the denominator you have to apply girls. 2a squared plus 5a plus 3. What the factors? The factors are, what is the factors? Yes, 2a plus 3 into what? A plus 1. Divided by 2a squared plus 7a plus 6. Where girls? Yes, here. What are the factors? Yes, a plus 2 and what? 2a plus 3. Then the symbol is division symbol. Now a squared plus 6a plus 5. What is the factors? Yes, a plus 5 and a plus 1. Okay. Now I am applying girls. The last one what? Minus 5a squared. What are the factors I found here? Minus 5 and a plus 5 and a plus 2. These are the factors. The next step, if you want to divide means you have to divide it the numerator and the denominator, no problem girls. Here also numerator same. Here a plus 5 is there, here also a plus 5 is there. Then I am going to the division symbol change into the multiplication symbol. Already you studied in the lower class. If you want to divide with the want to divide means you want to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay girls? What is the reciprocal here? The numerator convert as the denominator going to the numerator. So what is the denominator here? Yes, minus 5 into a plus 2. So I am changing the symbol. Have you all understood this step? The division should be changed to the multiplication. So the next term should be convert as a reciprocals. Okay, reciprocal already we know girls. Yes, a plus 1. Now you have to divide a plus 1 and the a plus 1 cancel. Here a plus 2 and a plus 2 cancel. The remaining is minus 5. This is the answer for this sum girls. See girls, the fourth sum, the remaining two sums for your homework girls. The homework you have to, in the afternoon session you have to send through the group. Okay. Now I am going to find out all the factors. Here 12 squared minus 22t plus 8. Shall I take 2 outside girls? Yes. If you take 2 means here what? Each term should be divided into 2. Divided by 2. 6 here 11t plus 4. Okay. Now you have to factorize. Now 6 into 4 what? Yes, 24. What are the factors? If you multiply, you will get 24. If you add, you will get minus 1. What are the factors girls? Yes, 8 3s are 24. Here minus 11. So both should be minus only. If you add, you will get minus 11. Okay. Now the variable is t girls. Now let it put 6t squared. Want to divide with both terms. Here 3 table 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are. Here t cancel. Then 2 table 4 2s are. 3 2s are. Okay. The factors are 2 is the outside already. 3t minus 4. Okay. 3t minus 4 one factor. The another one factor is 2t minus 1. Okay girls. Because nothing is there now, you should not put 0 girls, because the replace value is 1 you want to put. Okay. 2t minus 1. Then next you have to see 3t. It is already in 3t only. Here the quadratic equation alone we have to factorize. Okay, now you should multiply girls. 3 8s are what? Minus 24. Yes. Minus 24. If you multiply minus 24, the same number if you add is 2 want to come. Okay. What is the factor? Yes. 6 4s are 24 girls. But want to minus 1. Where want to put minus? Yes. See the biggest number sign is plus. So biggest number is plus. The smallest is minus. Put the variable girls. Now we have to divide 3 table 2. Okay, the remaining factor is t plus 2 one factor. The another factor is 3t minus 4. Okay, have you all understood? Then next one, see the denominator. What is the denominator here? 2t squared plus 4t. So I am going to take 2 t's outside common. Common 2t means 2 taken, 1 t is taken, the remaining is t. So okay, here 4, 2 taken, t also taken, the remaining is 4. Okay, now I am going to apply numerator and the denominator girls. What are the values you found? You have to apply it. What is that one? 12t squared. Here we found the factorization is yes 2 into 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1. The next 3t. Okay, let it 3t. Okay, now the division symbol you want to put. 3t squared plus 2t minus 8. What are the factors? Yes, here t plus 2 one factor. The another one factor is 3t minus 4. Okay, divided by the denominator. What you found? Yes, 2t into t plus 2. Now here itself we have to cancel t plus 2, t plus 2. Okay, here cannot be cancelled. So the division symbol I am going to change the multiplication symbol. So 2 into, this is what the important girls in this sum, 2t minus 1 divided by 3t into, I am changing the symbol. Here see multiplication symbol, so that you want to put the reciprocal. Reciprocal means denominator going to the numerator, then numerator come to the denominator. Now you have to strike out what are the common things, common factors are the common here 3t minus 4, here also 3t minus 4. Then 1t cancel, the remaining is the answer. What are the remaining in the numerator girls? Yes, 2, then 2t minus 1, then 2. 2 2s are 4, the remaining 2t minus 1 divided by only 3. Okay girls, this is the answer for fourth sum. See Because fourth sum very important. 4 and 5 is important in this exercise. Okay. Here x polynomial x given, y given. Find x squared y power minus 2. How do you do, girls? X square means you want to square up the x terms divided by y square. The y power minus 2 it is converted. Exponential form you already studied in the lower class, no girls? Yes. X square divided by y square. They given us x square y power minus 2 or otherwise x square divided by y square. You have to find out. Okay. What is the answer? First we want to factorize x term, then y term. First x you want to factorize the numerator. What is the numerator in the x? Yes, if you multiply minus 4, if you add you will get 3. What are the factors? X we are going to find, girls. Simplify. First minus 4 and plus 3. So 4 1 is 4. Yes, 4 minus 1 3. Where you want to put minus? Here the positive is biggest. Okay, plus in a minus. Here the variable is a squared, a squared. Now you have to cancel. The factor is a plus 4 and what? A minus 1. This is the factor for a squared plus 3a minus 4. Okay. The next is the denominator. What is the denominator here? 3a squared. 3a squared minus 3. I am going to take 3 out. The remaining is a squared. The 3 is taken out means you have to replace it at the place is 1. Okay, girls. Now it is considered as a squared minus b squared. Now the a is considered as a, b is considered as 1. So a plus b into a minus b. Have you all understood this one? Yes. Sir. Now I am going to y. Simplify the y. The numerator a squared plus 2a minus 8. If you multiply, you will get minus 8. If you add, you will get what? Yes, 2. Now we want to find out the factorize of y, girls. The numerator a squared plus 2a minus 8. If you multiply, you will get minus 8. The same number you will get add 2. Okay, girls. 4 2s are 8. Where we want to put minus, girls? Yes, the biggest sign is plus. The smallest is minus. Divided by a squared, a squared. Then only you will get a factor of a plus 4 and what? A minus 2 of factor of a squared plus 2a minus 8. Okay. Then the denominator. See the denominator 2a squared minus 2a minus 4. Shall I take the 2 outside, girls? Yes. If you take 2 outside means each term should be divided by 2. So a squared minus a minus 2. Here also you have to factorize. If you multiply minus 2. The same number you will sum add or subtract, you will get minus 1. What is the factors? Yes, 2, 1 is 2. Here the minus sign. So the biggest sign minus up. Minus 2 plus 1 you will get minus 1. Now you have to put the variables. What is the variable here? Yes, divided by a squared. So the factor is a minus 2 one factor and the a plus 1 one factor. Now I am going to apply. What is the question, girls? Power minus 2. So here we will write x squared divided by y squared. Or otherwise, how do you write x squared divided by y squared? So x we found. What is the x here? We already find the factorizations. What is the numerator of x? A plus 4 and a minus 1 divided by x. Okay, girls. First I am simplifying. 3 into a plus 1 and a minus 1. Now I am going to cancel a minus 1, a minus 1. The numerator and the denominator same factor means you have to cancel this. So the x value is a plus 4 divided by 3 times of a plus 1. This is called the x, girls. Okay. Now x squared we need means how do you do, girls? A plus 4 the whole square divided by 3 squared into a plus 1. The whole squared meaning. Okay, girls. So a plus 4 the whole squared divided by 9 into a plus 1 the whole squared. Have you all understood this step, girls? X we found. The same like we want to find out the x squared means you have to square up the factors. Okay. The same like y. What is the y value? Y the numerator. What are the factors? Yes, a plus 4 and a minus 2 is the numerators. Then denominator is 2 times of a minus 2 and what? A plus 1. Here what is the same factor? Yes, a minus 2 and the a minus 2 is the same factor. So now the remaining is a plus 4 divided by 2 times of a plus 1. Now we want to find out y squared. Y squared means you have to square up the factors. A plus 4 the whole squared divided by 2 squared into a plus 1 the whole squared. The question is x squared divided by y squared. X squared by 4 minus 2, what will you do? X squared divided by y squared. X squared value, what is the value of x squared? A plus 4 the whole squared divided by 9 into a plus 1 the whole squared divided by. What is the value of y squared we found? Yes, a plus 4 the whole squared divided by 2 squared means what? 4 into a plus 1 the whole squared. And now the division symbol going to change the multiplication symbol. What will you do, girls? Yes, you have to put the reciprocal of the given terms. What is the given terms? 4 into a plus 1 the whole squared divided by a plus 4 the whole squared. Now the common factors are a plus 4 the whole squared, a plus 4 the whole squared, then a plus 1 the whole squared, a plus 1. The answer is 4 by 9. It's very easy question, but you have to do it. The last sum is the polynomial p of x given x squared minus 5x minus 14 is divided by q of x in the another polynomial. We get means what? You will get the answer. What is the answer? Means x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Have you all understood, girls? Here the question is, if you want to divide it with the p of x divided by the q of x, you will get one answer, x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. So we want to find out q of x. How do you find out q of x, girls? Yes, q of x, it should be going to the right hand side, means q of x. Here the p of x into, here the numerator and the denominator should be changed. Yes, x plus 2 divided by x minus 7. The numerator going to the denominator going to the numerator. Now the p of x, what is the p of x they given? Yes, the p of x is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 14. You want to factorize. How do you factorize? Shall I write the directly, girls? If you multiply minus 14, if you add 5, about 7 2s are, so I am writing x minus 7 and x plus 2. You have to work out in the rough column, girls. I am writing directly the answer. Now I am going to apply the p of x value is x minus 7 and the x plus 2. You want to multiply with x plus 2 divided by x minus 7, you will get the q of x. Okay, now the x minus 7 cancel. So the remaining is, what is the remaining? Q of x is equal to x plus 2, 2 times is there. So x plus 2 the whole square. This is the answer for the fifth sum. Okay, girls?